Hi everyone, I'm Cody Koch. This is a question and answer video. Let's get to it. Is it possible to buy a business, fix it up, and flip it like people do in real estate? Okay, so this is a really good question, and I do get this question from time to time, and the simple answer to this is no. It doesn't really work buying a business, flipping it, okay, like people do in real estate. And here's why. Businesses are not tangible, really. You can't actually take a picture of a business. You can take a picture of buildings, inventory, equipment, people working, but you actually cannot take a picture of a business, because a business is actually nothing more than a group of people working with a group of assets using imaginary systems that only exist in everybody's head to service a group of customers. Those imaginary systems are actually what a business technically is, okay? So when you buy a business, oftentimes it changes those systems, okay? Because you bring new people on board, other people leave that are very important to the process, things change a little bit, that has an effect. But if you're gonna buy a business and fix it up, it usually means it's struggling, somehow distressed. That requires a tremendous amount of change, which can dramatically change the intangible systems that are in place. If you have a question, please put it in that comment section below, and I'll try to answer it in a future video. In addition to that, buying a distressed business and trying to turn it around only works about 40% of the time at best. Just trying to buy a business to fix up usually doesn't work 60+% of the time anyway. And then when you add in to flip it and turn around and resell the business after a few years, you're now adding a new element of change to the business. Now a new buying team would come on board, possibly new employees, possibly they would merge the business with other businesses, other cultures, things like that start to have an effect. So buying and flipping typically doesn't make a lot of sense from a management standpoint. And since turnarounds are very difficult and the probability of success is not very high, that's why generally speaking, fixing up and flipping a business doesn't really work. If this video is helpful, please click that like button and subscribe, and I thank you for watching.